Okay guys, if you were watching the introductory video very carefully, this should have been a walk in the park. But all the same, let's see if your answers are the same as mine. So for question number 1, you must not be late nor unprepared for the meeting, simply should be you must not be late or unprepared for the meeting, or introduce a verb phrase. So you could say nor be unprepared. So if you remember one thing, if you want to use nor, you've got to use a verb phrase after nor, otherwise it might be a mistake. For number 2, you may not rent a car and drink alcohol under 18 years old. Very common mistake, perhaps this is one I see the most, where you've got a negative introduction to a list, and that list might be 2 things, 3 things, 4 things, 5 things, however many things that are on that list, you shouldn't say and. This should be or. So you may not rent a car or drink alcohol under 18 years old. Okay, for question number 3, there are any possibilities at all to submit the paperwork on time. So here we've got the error, which is thinking any in itself is a negative form. It's not, so we have to introduce that negative form. And of course, we've got 2 options. There are not any, or there are no possibilities at all. We can introduce one of those 2 forms, and then suddenly no problems with the sentence. During the meeting, don't mention the sales results and court case. So once again, we've got another short list introduced with a negative form. So of course, this should be or. Don't mention the sales results or the court case. And number 5, under the agreement, you may not disclose business secrets nor patent information. So once again, we've got that problem after nor, where we don't have a verb phrase. So we've got 2 ways to fix this. We can either say business secrets or patent information, or we need to introduce a verb phrase, nor disclose patent information. So disclose is like a little repetition of do not mention, but that's okay. If we want to use nor, we've got to use a verb form of some kind.